Looking for a premium 360 action camera that captures every moment in stunning detail? The DJI Osmo 360 Standard Combo combines native 8K recording, a large 1-inch imaging system, and intelligent features to help you create immersive videos with ease. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. The DJI Osmo 360 Standard Combo is designed for travelers, content creators, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want professional-looking 360-degree footage in a compact camera. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls make it easy to capture immersive content wherever your adventures take you. The standout feature is its 1-inch 360 degrees imaging system with native 8K at 30 frames per second. The larger sensor captures more light, producing sharper details, richer colors, and cleaner low-light footage. Whether you're filming scenic landscapes or fast-moving action, your videos remain smooth and highly detailed. It also records crisp 4K at 120 frames per second for dramatic slow-motion shots and captures stunning 120MP 360 degrees photos with exceptional clarity. For longer shooting sessions, the camera includes 105 GB of built-in storage and delivers up to 190 minutes of recording on a single battery. 4 built-in microphones record immersive spatial audio, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi make transferring files and connecting accessories quick and convenient. The magnetic quick-release mount allows fast transitions between different shooting setups. From travel vlogs and cycling adventures to skiing and everyday content creation, the DJI Osmo 360 delivers reliable performance with impressive image quality. If you're looking for a versatile 360 action camera that combines excellent video quality, long battery life, and creator-friendly features, the DJI Osmo 360 Standard Combo is one of the best premium options worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If you have any questions or thoughts about the DJI Osmo 360, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.